Okay, so Ali, we are on Lomond Drive now, Lakes Estate, and we are heading towards Stoke Hammond roundabout and Drayton Parslow roundabouts. Those roundabouts are very difficult because they are very big in size, and the cars coming from right side are very fast as well. They always come very fast from the right side, so you got to be very careful on those two roundabouts for the cars coming from the right side. That's one thing. The second problem in those two roundabouts is the position of your car as well. So if examiner, for example, from the first roundabout, normally the examiner asks you turn right, third exit, and the second roundabout turn right, third exit as well. Okay, so when you do those two roundabouts, okay, keep yourself on the right and keep checking on the right side. Once you are on the bypass, okay, which is going towards the Latin budget side here. So when you are on the bypass, examiner will ask you at the roundabout, follow the road ahead, second exit. Okay, and when you go second exit, at the same time, the examiner might mention about middle lane. They will tell you that if you want to go straight ahead, you better use the middle lane. Okay, so when you are in the middle lane, okay, so check your mirrors, give a signal and change the lane nicely. Okay, go into the middle lane and cancel your signal. Once you are in the middle lane, okay, use the middle side of the roundabout as well. Do not go inside the roundabout, inner circle. There are two circles, one inner circle, one is the middle one. Okay, the middle one don't have any line markings. So many people fail the test. That is one of the very bad hotspot. Okay, so many people fail the test there because there's no marking inside, but there's a crack. Yeah, on the floor, on the road, there's a crack. So you keep yourself in the middle. So you go a little bit forward and then keep yourself using outer circle and through the middle. Yes, and then go to the straight second exit. Don't worry about the left, don't worry about the right. I will help you, okay? I will give you full instructions in first attempt. Second time, when we're going to do it again, you will do yourself. Okay. Are you happy about it?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, so drive on when you're ready, please. Just do the effective observations. Yeah, do not look all over the places. Yeah, just check your mirrors. Yeah, nicely one time. Yeah, another time as well, and then just move. Okay, don't look at the mirror so many times. Yes. Okay, so this is Lomond Drive. When you're gonna come here, examiner might ask you to do one of the maneuvers as well on this road. Yes, so we're not gonna do maneuver today. We're gonna continue. So from here onwards, yeah, you have to drive very careful. Okay, so many people fail the test in this area. People think it's easy, they take it too light and they fail the test. First of all, there are cars parked on the left side. Okay, so make sure when you move out, check there is oncoming vehicle. If there's any oncoming vehicle, you have to wait. From the first roundabout, turn right, third exit. As you are going to the other side of the road, yeah, then you have to come back as well because this is single carriageway. It's not dual carriageway. See, so currently we are here because there are cars parked on the left side. Okay, so move like that, check your mirror, come back. Roundabout, turn right, slow down. Yes. Yeah, nicely. Yes, keep yourself on the left, don't go to the other side. Left. That's it. Knee to the wide line, slow down. Knee to the wide line, and we're gonna go right, third exit. Yes. So look on there. Yes. That's it. Yeah. Is it safe?
Yeah, go. It's coming very fast sometimes.
Yes. First, this is counted as a second. Yeah. And this is third. Okay, roundabout, turn right again, please. Third exit again. This is dual now. Okay, so you can keep the right lane. Okay. That's it. Cars coming very fast from that side, so you got to be very careful here. Okay, as you are here, first count it. 1, 2. Second, and when you are here, yes, make a bit of progress. Check your mirrors and stay to the left lane. There you go. These two roundabouts, we named them Stoke Hammond roundabout because of the village Stoke Hammond. Yes. This is fast road. Okay. Currently, there's a learner car ahead of you. You can change the lane. Yes. Good. All right. Overtake it. That's it. You did it. Check your mirrors and come back, please. Yeah. That was slow vehicle. Okay. When you're gonna be here, examiner will ask you at the roundabout, Drayton Parslow roundabout here, which is going towards Drayton Parslow. At the roundabout, follow the road ahead, second exit, and second exit is from the middle lane. Near to these signboards, check your mirrors. Can you see the middle lane there in the middle?
Yes.
Give a signal. Is it safe to change? Yes. Like that. Cancel the signal now. Now you're in the middle lane. Okay. Don't go right. Don't go left in the roundabout. Use the middle. Like this. nicely. Okay. Yeah, stay here. See, slow down, slow down. See the crack? This is a crack?
Yeah.
Yeah. So keep yourself on the
Okay.
this side of the crack. Like that. Don't go inside. See the crack?
Yes.
Yeah, like that.
I
Don't go
understand
further.
now.
You don't understand now?
Yes.
Do you understand now?
Yes.
Are you sure?
100%.
Okay. That's fine. Take the next right, please.
Okay.
Examiner will ask you to go straight towards the Drayton Parslow
Yes.
village. We're not gonna go there. We're gonna just go right from here.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do it again. This
Okay.
time you're gonna do it yourself.
Myself. Okay then.
Slow down. And then right here, please. And pull up on the left here on the lay-by, please. This lay-by. Thank you.